together until the day ends.
Nano the Robot and the Uncovered Secret by Joe Brothers and Sean Higgins.
Nano and Bumble were happily walking around the Technology Hill Museum, looking at all sorts of treasures from around the world of technology.
Look, Nano, there is Sir Yellow Bee, the original bee of Technology Hill. Do I look like him?
Asked Bumble as he pointed to a painting. Why, yes, Bumble, you look like him. You have similar wings and a lovely furry belly, said Nano. Bumble flew in a loop around the painting. Nano noticed an old computer down the old hall. A sign above it read, Bot 1, a first-generation robot. Nano couldn't believe his eyes. How could this large, clumsy, old square box be my origins, while Bumble's bee relative looked just like him? Nano was confused and upset. All of a sudden, Nano saw the Bot 1 turn on. A green screen started to glow from his stomach. An alarm went off and everyone came running. Bumble flew to hear what the engineers were saying.
It's incredible. There is a visitor to the museum who has the same motherboard as Bot 1. We have been waiting for years to find this robot. Now we can repair Bot 1,
said the engineers.
I wonder who it is.
Nano looked at his app. Nano's app was glowing green too. A green light shot out of him and started to heal Bot 1. Everyone fell silent in awe of this miracle.
Nano, you have healed Bot 1, and now he can tell us all the history of Technology Hill,
said Bumble. Remember, our greatest treasure lies within us. Bot 1 smiled at Nano. Thank you. I may not look like you, but we are the same inside. Nano realized that he had judged Bot 1 on how he looked. Bot 1 was actually a huge hidden treasure. Nano realized a secret that great things are often disguised and we must earn the right to see them.